To read data from SQL Server to Pandas, for that we need to use some Python libraries like Pandas, NumPy. So for the type here, import Pandas as pd, import NumPy as np, import PyODBC, import warnings dot filter, warnings, type here ignore, close the parenthesis. Now click on here run button, and now here you need to type your connection string. Here you can see that these are my connection string. So make sure that I use ODBC driver 17 version for SQL Server, and server name. To get the server name, for that you need to open your SQL Server. This is my SQL Server, and click on here and right click, and after that click on properties, and after that here you can see your server name. Just select and copy it and paste it over here. And here you can see to get the database again from the SQL Server. For that, again go back to the SQL Server, and after that here you can see called database, just expand it, and after that here you can see there are number of my database out here. So you can see that. So I'm going to use for this project, I'm going to use this as most22. This is going to be my server name. Okay, so let me go back again, and I'm going to change this is most22, and after that here you can see this is UI, this is a username. To get the username from SQL Server, again go back to SQL Server, again here just minimize it and click on security, and after that here you can see call the login, just click and expand it, and after that here you can see call this this is going to be my username. Okay, so it look like this just, and after that go back here again, just a moment, and here I need to type this user name is SA. Okay, as I have told you, and again here you need to type your password of SQL Server. So I hope you know how to set SQL Server password and username. So after that click on here run button, and after that here we need to type our command of establishing connection, establishing, type here that is going to be most underscore OK equal to here PYODBC dot connect, and here I need to pass the string this most, and click on run button, and here we need to type there is SQL server need to read you know data from the SQL Server. So for that we need to type here there is query equal to slack from, that is table name would be here. I'm going to show you again, go back to your SQL Server, and after that click on here your database name. This is my database name. Just click and expand it, and this here you can see the database name. This is my database name, most underscore data. So go back here, and after that type here db sorry oh sorry dbo dot most underscore data, and click on run. And here we need to read data from SQL Server to Pandas. For that, type df data frame equal to pd dot read SQL query, and I need to pass again this most underscore OK. Click on run. Now I'm going to display the data df dot head. So in this way you can read data from SQL Server to Pandas. So let me check the columns, how many columns out there. For that, df columns, and click on run button. So here I can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. There are 9 columns out there. So in this way you can read the data from SQL Server to Pandas. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. See you in the next video. Bye bye.